Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover, power button board, system board, display panel assembly, display panel, and the left display panel hinge. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the webcam cable to the display enclosure. Carefully remove the wireless antenna transceivers from the adhesive that secures them to the display enclosure. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the webcam ZIF connector and disconnect the webcam cable from the G sensor board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and cable. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam. Remove the webcam cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Note: it may be necessary to partially unroute the wireless antenna cables to remove the webcam cable. Remove the webcam cable. Replacement. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board and replace the retention tape. Route the webcam and wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Insert the webcam cable into the webcam cable ZIF connector on the G-sensor board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and cable. Place the wireless antenna transceivers into position on the display enclosure and apply pressure to adhere them into place. Replace the metallic tape that secures the webcam cable to the display enclosure.